today to look at the new XAG04 variable speed grinder from Makita. We're going to go ahead and discuss its benefits, and then we're going to go ahead and use it and put it through its paces and see how it performs.
So some of the cool features of this tool is that it has a Bluetooth, which allows you to connect to the Bluetooth dust collecting vacuum that Makita has. Use this button over here to do that. It's also variable speed, so you can dial it up or down, which allows you to do polishing or cutting or grinding at whatever speed you need to be at. The other thing about this tool is it has a brushless motor, which gives you more power and makes the battery life longer, as well as the tool life. It also has a brake, so if you're polishing, it stops quicker, so you can change the pads out faster. It has a lockout for when you're putting blades on. And it also has a battery indicator light, so you know where you're at, and it's nice and skinny right here for the hand, so fits the hand very nice. So we're going to go ahead and take this tool and do some cutting and polishing and see how it performs now. Okay, I suggest when we're using this tool that you go with the highest amp hour battery you can get, because this tool does draw a lot of power. So try to run a 5 amp hour battery, you'll get a lot better performance out of it. Okay, so the first thing we want to make sure before we start cutting and grinding is we want to make sure you're putting on your safety glasses and your hearing protection. And then we're going to go ahead and put some cutting wheels on here and grinding wheels and see how this thing works. We're going to use we have the Stone Master blade on here, and we're going to go ahead and use it to cut a piece of porcelain. Porcelain is really hard, so it should be a good test. Pretty fast, so pretty impressed with that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the blade off. So we're going to push down on the lockout here, and then go ahead and take this blade off and the arbor, set it off the side. We'll go ahead and put a diamond grinding cup on here. We're going to see how it does with that. And again, we're going to want the RPMs to be set at 5 at 8,500 because you want your diamond turning at that speed. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and grind on this quartz here a little bit and see how it performs as far as grinding goes. Performs very well with the grinding cup as well. It's almost as good as a plug-in grinder. We're going to go ahead and change this out, and we're going to switch it onto the polishing pad. Put on our Velcro pad holder. We're going to go ahead and polish some porcelain here with this tool. We're going to set the speed on about 1.5. That's about the right RPM for these grit. We're going to start with the 50 grit and work our way through 3,000. I'm only going to polish the first half of this so you can kind of see the difference. Starting out with the 50. I want to remove all the saw marks with the 50, then we're going to move on to the 100. After the 100, we're going to go to the 200. Just double this edge a little bit right here. We go to the 400. 1500. And the 1500. And then the 3000. Okay, that's it. And you notice that I put just a slight bevel on the top and the bottom so that if it's meeting up against another stone, you don't see a bunch of chips. You can see that it's very shiny and very good system, not have to be plugged into the extension cord while you're doing this. We'll go ahead and get a close-up of this. Okay, so as you can see, the part we polished over here is super shiny, and this is the dull part, so very nice edge to put in. As you can see, the XAG17 variable speed grinder performs basically almost as well as a corded model. It cut well, it ground well, it worked well polishing, so this is really a great advancement in the tools for the tile industry.